Hey guys, I'm Demand the Data Dude, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. So this channel is going to be centered around data science and how to work with data. So I'm going to be posting some tutorials here and there about how to work with data, and I'll also be posting some interviews. I'm definitely going to be able to talk to some local faculty at some institutions near me. I'm going to be talking to them about how we can use data to solve problems such as world hunger and poverty. So look out for those. And this video, I just wanted to do a really brief intro, and I wanted to talk about R. So R is a statistical programming language, and if you're interested in numbers like I am, or data, this is a great way for you to try and test things out, try and see how you can use data, and it's a great way because it's really just focused for just statistical computing and graphing. So it's a great way to try and get smarter with data and figure out how to use it. So to get started, we're going to download R. So you're going to search up R project. Once you search that up, you're going to click on the first link that says the R project for statistical computing. So click on that. Now in the first paragraph here, you're going to see a link that says download R. You're going to click on that. Now you're going to have to pick a cranberry. So all you have to do here is it just says choose a location close to you. So for me, that's the United States. You're just going to click on the one here that matches the one you're closest to. And then you're going to pick which version you want. So you can get R for Linux, R for Mac, or R for Windows. I'm on a Mac, so I click this. Then on the left side right here, you'll see the versions that you can get. So I'm going to get the top version right here. So you're going to click on that, the latest version. You're just going to go through the download process, and then we can get started. Alright guys, so just one more thing we have to do. What we just downloaded was R console, and that's where we can just input code, and it'll bring it back to us independently, just immediately. If you want to start doing more advanced projects, you should download R Studio. So this is our console that we just downloaded. So to download R Studio, you're just going to search up R Studio download. You're going to click the first link that says download R Studio. You're going to click the free version, RStudio Desktop, download, and I'm on a Mac, so it's going to say download RStudio for Mac for me. Whatever PC you have, that's the version you're going to have. You're going to click download, and then after this is done, we can just get started. Alright, so you guys did it. You downloaded R. So now where are you going to find it? So if I'm on a Mac, and you guys are on a Mac, you're going to find it under your applications window right here. You're going to find R and RStudio right here. Okay, so those are the two. If you're on a Windows, you will find them under your applications as well. So I'm just going to open those up. So let's talk about R first. So here you see R. This is just the console where you can input the code, and up here you're going to see your version. So if you think if you're not on the latest version, just look up here and you can figure out what version you're on, and then you can go back to that download website in the beginning I showed you and see what the latest version is. So this is the R console. Now if we look at the R Studio, there's a lot more going on. You don't have just the console, you have packages, you have the environment, you have the terminal here. So we're going to talk a little bit about those. Alright guys, so the first thing you can do in RStudio is we can create a project. So if you don't just want to have your inputs here and then just leave them and have to save them, you can create a specific project where you can have the data that you want stored. So how we're going to create a project is we're going to go to the top left, we can go to File, we can go to New Project, and we can go to New Directory. You're going to just click on a New Project. You're going to type in whatever directory name you want, so I'll do R project number 2 because I already have one. And then you can just search for a directory where you can pick. So I already have mine under R right here, so you can click on that. And then you can just click Create Project. So then here's your own personal project where you can store data. And if you want to exit the project, all you have to do is go to File, Close Project. And then you'll go back to the normal RStudio. Another thing you guys can do is there's packages here. So there's a whole ton of packages that you can download, which you can do data analysis with or pretty much explore. I will definitely do some videos on these packages where I'll talk about how to use them, how you can access them, how you can find the data from them. So we'll leave that for another time. Alright guys, so just one last thing for this intro. So you guys know that all programming languages have their own syntax. If you don't know, if you haven't programmed yet, all different languages are different. So R and Python are different languages, and they have different syntax, meaning in one of them, in R for say, multiplication is that star symbol. And I can do 2 times 4 and I'll get 8. In some programming languages, it's a different key. So I'm going to tell you guys where you can find the specific syntax for R. Alright, so to find that cheat sheet, guys, for the syntax, we're going to go to the internet again and we're going to search up R syntax cheat sheet. You're going to go to the first one, the base R cheat sheet. It's by RStudio, the same place where we downloaded the website, the R. So you're going to click on that and you're going to find a 2-page download. So this is basically the basic syntax that R has. Some of this stuff will not make a lot of sense to you guys. That's okay. We're going to go through in these videos. If you want to try some stuff out, I'm sure you can try it out. There's examples here where you can learn and try and type this stuff in and try and mess around with it. So get started with that. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. So today I just gave you guys some basics on how to download R, where you can find the syntax, and how you can pretty much figure your way around it. The next video I think I'm going to start going into matrices, teach you guys how to work with matrices in R. I'll let you guys start working on the data aspect of R yourself. So until next time, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Man the Data Dude. See you guys next time.